doing?
Cookies.
We're making, what kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. And so we're going to soften the butter. Can you see soften the butter?
Soften the butter.
Okay, you gotta mix, mix, mix till it gets nice and soft. Show them what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, let's keep mixing till it gets soft. Who are you?
Cody.
Chef Cody. What are we gonna add?
Sugar.
Okay, we have white and brown sugar. Put it in. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Pour it in. Whee.
Mix it.
Now we mix it. And show them what it looks like. We're mixing it. So we had about half a cup of butter that softened. And then we added a 1/4 cup of white sugar and a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. And Chef Cody is mixing till it creams together.
Milk and vanilla?
Yeah, we have 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
Is it a good thing to drink?
It can be a good thing to drink, yeah. Now hold the bowl and mix in your liquid to our cream, butter, and sugar mixture. What? What's your favorite part?
I like it when we eat it with blueberries.
Blueberries. Okay, now we're going to add our dry ingredients. Can you see dry ingredients?
Dry ingredients.
We're going to add...
Flour.
Oh, wait, no, not sugar. Flour and...
Baking soda.
Okay. Oh, in the bowl! Good job, Chef Cody.
Mix it all up. I like it. Yummy.
Mix, mix, mix. What kind of cookies are we making?
Chocolate chip.
Oh, where's the chocolate chips?
We had to bake it first.
Oh, no, we're going to add them in. Let's just get it in, get all the dry and the wet together. Let's see. Scrape the bowl, sides. And actually, this is an eggless. Can you say eggless?
Eggless.
Say no egg.
Egg, no egg.
No egg. Because we can't find any eggs in the store.
This is my favorite part, chocolate chips.
1/2 cup. We're using mini chocolate chips. Oh,
Mini
that's good.
chocolate chip.
You want to eat one of those?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Good. Okay, now we mix the chocolate chips. Let's show them. We mix the chocolate chips into our cookie dough.
Let's put the grate and smash it together.
And then we're going to chill the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so that we can form it into balls and bake it in the oven.
And Mommy has to do it because it's hot.
It's hot, yes. Good job. So now we have our cookie dough. We have our cookie scooper. You're gonna help? Oh, you want me to do it? And then let's show them what we do. And then we're going to plop it. Okay? Here, you want to release it? I know last time you got pinched, so we gotta be careful. Here, hold it. Okay. Might be a little much. Okay, go. Can you put it? Oh. Oh. Yeah! No owie? What do I say? Do it again. Nothing? Okay. You got it?
No.
Strong. Come on, Avengers. You got it. Oh! What do we do next? fast, Chef Cody? We bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 350. Say enjoy.